1. The accompanying figure shows some electrical appliances connected in a circuit in a house. Answer the following questions. A. By which method are the appliances connected? Answer. Appliances are connected in parallel. B. What must be the potential difference across individual appliances? Answer. The potential difference across all appliances is same in parallel connection. C. Will the current passing through each appliance be the same? Justify your answer. Answer. No, as every appliance has a different load, resistance, the current flowing through each appliance will be different. D. Why are the domestic appliances connected in this way? Answer. The domestic appliances are connected in parallel as the potential difference remains same. E. If the TV stops working, will the other appliances also stop working? Explain your answer. Answer. No, the other devices will not stop working as the current flowing through them is along different paths. 2. The following figure shows the symbols for components used in the accompanying electrical circuit. Which law can you prove with the help of the above circuit? Answer. A. Indicate ammeter. Positive negative symbols shows battery. Dot indicate key. B. This circuit can be used to prove Ohm's law. C. V. Voltmeter is equal to 1R is the expression of Ohm's law. 3. Umesh has two bulbs having resistances of 15 watts and 30 watts. He wants to connect them in a circuit, but if he connects them one at a time, the filament gets burned. Answer the following. A. Which method should he use to connect the bulbs? B. What are the characteristics of this way of connecting the bulbs depending on the answer of A above? C. What will be the effective resistance in the above circuit? Answer. A. When bulbs are connected in series, the circuit's effective resistance increases, reducing current through the bulbs. This prevents both bulbs from burning. B. The following are the characteristics of series connection. A. The circuit's effective resistance is calculated by adding the individual resistances of the resistors in the circuit. B. The effective resistance of a series circuit is always greater than the maximum resistance in the circuit. C. The current via multiple electrical components connected in series is the same. D. The source voltage is distributed between the electrical components linked in series. C. The effective resistance of the circuit is equal to 15 ohms plus 30 ohms equals 45 ohms. 4. The following table shows current in amperes and potential difference in volts. A. Find the average resistance. B. What will be the nature of the graph between the current and potential difference? Do not draw a graph. C. Which law will the graph prove? Explain the law. Answer. Five. Match the pairs. A. Group. B. Group. 1. Free electrons. A. VR. 2. Current. B. Increases the resistance in the circuit. 3. Resistivity. C. Weakly attached. 4. Resistances in D. L. Answer. A. Group. 1. Free electrons. C. Weakly attached. 2. Current. A. VR. 3. Resistivity. D. Wali. 4. Resistances in series. B. Increases the resistance in the circuit.